Hello everyone, Bethany here. I have an unboxing for you from Bellaartdenicole. In this unboxing, there will be one large aquamarine tray and 3 guinea pig cover minders. I got one of each color that they have because they're super cute. The last unboxing I did from them, there was a little black hairy guinea pig in there, and so when they showed these ones, I had to get them. They're so cute. I don't know that I'm going to use them for cover minders. I'm probably going to use them for board game pieces, but I loved them so much. I had to add them to my order. So let's go ahead and get this going, show you what I got. All right, so we have the guinea pigs. Okay, what should we open first? Oh, they are magnetic, I think, because they're they're sticking to each other. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. All right, let's go ahead and open up these guys. So, oh yeah, they have the magnets on them. I got one of each color arrangement. They all have the same 3 colors, but in different orders. This has a magnet built inside and on the outside, really nice. That's going to make an excellent cover minder. So I might switch back and forth what I use these guys for, but that is so cute. That's the first one. Here's the second one. You can see the colors are a different order. I think this one's going to be my favorite. If I could only pick one, this was the one I was going to get. Strong magnet. Awesome. So, those are so cute. Okay, last one. That's kind of fun. Poppity pop. Okay. Different order of the colors, magnet built inside, additional magnet, bonk. That is so cool. I love how it does that. So, whoa! Okay, you guys, okay. That's it, that's too much loving on each other. I can't get the magnets apart, okay. Do not put them too close to each other. Yeah. Okay. Goodness gracious. Oh look, I got a butterfly sticker in this one too. That's so great, and it's black and white. I love it. They don't have the sticker on the back. They're no longer doing the Butterflies with Diamond event, but hey, I got a sticker. It's so lovely. This is their business card. Bellaartdenicole, Jamie and Nicole, www.bellaartdenicole.com, and their email is sales@bellaartdenicole.com. Turn over, and you have a QR code on the back. So, sticker, beautiful aquamarine tray. Now, it's a little more green than what I'm seeing in my camera right now, so it's not quite this bright blue that's showing up. It's more of a, well, it's aquamarine color. It is a light greenish blue, a light teal, if you will. Beautiful, beautiful tray. I usually like to stick to my basic colors, but that color was so gorgeous that I couldn't pass it up. So let's go ahead and put some diamonds into the tray. I just dropped the diamonds. Okay. Oh my.
Oh my.
All right. So pour the diamonds into the tray. Shake it up, and if you want, you can do this with the lid on if they tend to jump out. Sometimes they'll do that. It just depends on how you're shaking it. I like to tap the end like this to get them to all line up that way. I like to tap the side like this to get, don't tap too hard, don't lean too hard, or that'll happen. Okay, so then look, lined up all nice. And you're ready to diamond paint. Then when you're done, if you have any left, I like to pour them down to one end. You can put I just flung a diamond. Goodness, guys.
I guess you're just clumsy.
I guess so. If you want to put the lid on for extra protection from them coming out, you can do that. Then I like to just tap them into the bag. I just flung some out. There it is. I'm like, where'd it go? Okay. Stuck on my finger. And there you have it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This pour spout is awesome. It's so handy to have. Thanks for watching, guys. I think I already said that, but I do appreciate you guys watching so much. So I can't thank you enough to my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you. To those of you out there who are watching and not subscribed, thank you. I appreciate it so much. You guys inspire me, and it keeps me motivated on days when I feel like maybe I shouldn't be doing this YouTube thing. So thank you. Thank you. Until next time, guys. Bye.